Hello guys, how are you? Advertiser on your website. Just by having a site of your own, you can start earning passive income. There are just a handful of steps you will need to take to build a website. Take that makes money online. First, you will need to choose from one of many professional decisions. Website templates, select a domain name and get free website hosting. Then you can begin thinking about the different routes toward monetizing your website on proven method. And again is online advertising. You can use Google AdSense to place ads on your website. This option is relatively easy as Google match ads to your site based on your content and visitor plus it's free. Google then pays you based on the numbers of views or click you get on the ads. Number 2, decisions website. Whether it is some things you have experience in or you are a natural at decisions, websites can be an excellent sources of incomes. In fact, web designers are always in demand as the industry exponentially grows. That said, you will need to make a name for yourself in order to stand with working with the right clients can help optimize your web decisions portfolio and highlight your talent. So you mute be asking yourself who do I find my ideal customers. Joining a online marketing for website designers is the best possible way to start generating qualified leads. You will get a platforms to help your showcase showcase your work, set your price rate, and get matched with potential client who are looking to hire your services. You can also consider partnering with campaigns that grant your access to special web decisions tools as a Wix partner. You will get professionals resources and be able to analyst to expert help of a company account managers dedicated to increasing your sales funnel conversions. Number 3, create a blog. The wonderful thing about blogging is that you can create content about absolutely anything as long as there are pupils interested in writing it. After some time, your free blogs will attract website traffic and offer monetization opportunity opportunity once it's start to take off and grow an audience. That will be the perfect times to explain the money makings opportunity available to successful bloggers. For instance, you can advertisers with your blog using to Google AdSense or offer paid subscriptions to the hard fans for exclusive access to your content. Whichever avenue you choose to take, always think about the profession and interest of your readers. Check in with them and see what they want by sending an email blast with a survey. Then you will be able to pinpoint that strikes their fancy and how to monetize those ideas directly on your site. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my channels.